see who is getting married.
Sexy Polo.
Yes, my wedding day, and it's inside Alisa Hotel. He they pay you. Oh, my bridesmaids are getting ready. Where are the rest?
They are changing.
They are changing. Oh, okay. Please.
What's that then? Strictly by invitation.
Strictly by invitation, please.
So it's going down right at the moment.
Oh, please. Showcase my
Alisa Hotel.
Chicago. This is my wedding gown. Portable pentangles. This is my what?
The veil.
This is my Bible and stuff, you know. Yes.
We didn't see the ring. Where is it?
The ring is with the man. You know, I'm not supposed to see it because he is going to put it on my finger. He go pay you. He dey pay you.
We didn't see this coming, no.
Jesus. They didn't know that I can also get married. They were laughing at me. They said they have 40.
She dey make a craze with her body shape, give me good soup on a Sunday, follow for you on the first day. Me blow your dimmy nice one, boy, change my girl, boy, change my girl, all the other boys just go screw, won't make it no say I do, won't make it no say I do, never let you go say I do, I put all the energy you give me in the song, all the good vibe you give me in the song, I put all the love that you give me to everything, my pretty little thing, see I never, put all the energy you give me in the song, all the good vibe you give me in the song, I put all the love that you give me to everything, my pretty little thing, see I never.
Okay, okay.